Ever pondered why an exercise bench holds such a pivotal role in our fitness journey? Well, it's because this versatile piece of equipment can amplify the effectiveness of your workout routine, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast. So, welcome to the world of exercise benches, where the possibilities are as limitless as your commitment to fitness. Let's start with the basics. An exercise bench is a simple yet powerful piece of equipment used for weight training and bodyweight exercises. It's typically a padded board supported by legs and can be flat, incline, or adjustable. Now, on to the first step, positioning. Ensure the bench is on a flat surface to maintain stability during your workout. Safety, after all, should always be the priority. Next, adjust the bench to your desired position. If it's adjustable, you can modify the angle depending on the type of exercise you'll be doing. A flat position is ideal for chest press or rows, while an inclined position targets your upper chest and shoulders. Now get comfortable. Sit on the bench and plant your feet firmly on the ground. Keep your back pressed against the padding. This setup will provide the right foundation for a variety of exercises. Ready for your first exercise? Try a bench press. Lie down on your back with your feet flat on the floor. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at chest level, then push them up until your arms are straight. Lower the weights back to the chest, and repeat. If you're looking for an exercise to target your lower body, look no further than step-ups. Stand in front of the bench and place one foot on it. Push through the foot on the bench to step up, bringing your other foot up as well. Step down and switch legs. Remember, an exercise bench is not just for lifting weights. It can also be a platform for bodyweight exercises like tricep dips or incline push-ups. To conclude, an exercise bench is a versatile tool that can enhance your fitness regime, whether you're a novice or a seasoned athlete. It's all about positioning, adjusting, and getting comfortable. Then you're ready to explore a myriad of exercises, from bench presses and step-ups to body weight exercises. Remember, the power of an exercise bench lies not just in the wide range of exercises it enables, but also in the way it encourages correct form, leading to more effective workouts and reduced risk of injury. So, why not give it a try? Discover the benefits of an exercise bench and amplify your fitness journey today. After all, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, or in this case, a single rep. Happy exercising!